Today we are going to construct an ellipse using the GeoGebra free program and following the Lebanese curriculum. We work for the Lebanese curriculum Grade 12 General Science. The theme is the conics theme. The chapter is the properties of the conics. We want to determine the locus of the variable point m, such that the difference between mf and mf prime is equal to 2, where f and f prime are two fixed points. In other words, absolute value mf minus mf prime is equal to 2, where f and f prime are two fixed points. There should be some conditions for the distance between f and f prime, but we will work it in general. This work will be done on the dynamic software, which is free, the GeoGebra dynamic software. We open the GeoGebra file, and we don't need the axis so far. So leave the arrow and click on the graphics. Release the axis, system of axis. Let's take two fixed points, f. I can change the name of the point directly using the keyboard. This is the point f. And another point, f prime. The text that I'm going to type here is that mf minus mf prime is equal to 2. So this mf minus mf prime is equal to 2. Change the text into large text. To construct this point m and find its locus, first of all, let's take a circle. Click on this arrow, take the circle. I'm taking the center f, and the radius, you type it using the keyboard to equal to 2. This is the first circle. Now I'll take a point on this circle. Taking a point on this circle, this point should be free to move on the circle. So we have the distance fa is equal to 2. Now draw a line passing through f and a. mf minus mf prime is equal to 2. Taking a point on this line, let's call it m. I cannot attach this point in a form that mf minus ma is equal to 2. Here mf minus ma is for sure equal to 2, but I don't know if mf minus mf prime is equal to 2. To construct this point m, I will draw the perpendicular bisector of a f prime here. The point on this straight line, on both lines, look, not only in this, on this, it's a point on the intersection. It's called the point m. This point m, it has a certain property. mf minus ma is equal to 2, but mf minus mf prime now it's equal to 2. Make sure that m is on the perpendicular bisector of a f prime, so ma and mf prime are equal. Again, I'll repeat, mf minus ma is equal to 2, and mf minus mf prime is also equal to 2. Now a is a variable point, it's moving on the circle. Whatever the position of m is, we have mf minus ma is equal to 2. Let's trace the point m. Right click and put trace on, and let's move the point a. Moving the point a, keeping the distance, or keeping the difference of the distance mf minus mf prime is equal to 2. It shows a certain trajectory. Now I want a to be freely moving. I right click on a and put animation on. Now it's drawing the locus of the point m, such that mf minus mf prime is equal to 2. To stop this animation, you just click on this button here. It's like a pause. Or you can take the point A, right click, and take off the animation. Now we have the locus traced, and I want now to delete this trace. Take the button view and refresh the views. Now again, we have the point A, which is a moving point. The trace is still on. I'm moving the point A. The trace of the point M is a certain hyperbola. Let's stop the trace, right click. Okay, again, if you want to trace, right click and click on trace on. At the same time, to stop the tracing, right click and trace on again. I want to refresh the view by clicking on view, refresh views. You got rid of the locus. I want now to show the locus of M as A moves. You can choose the button locus. To find the locus, make sure that you have first to select the locus point, then the point on the slider or object. We'll select M and select A. Now it shows the locus directly. Because we know that this locus is a hyperbola, I can write its equation simply by clicking on the button that shows the hyperbola. To draw a hyperbola, you need to select the two foci and the point of the hyperbola. So selecting F prime, and M. Here you have the equation of this hyperbola.